Hello everyone, if you are targeting AFCAT 2 2021, then this video is a must watch for you. And in this video, we shall cover the important days from exam point of view. So without further delay, let's get started with the video. The first day that we are looking at is the World Environment Day, and I am sure most of you would be aware of this day as it is one of the most common days dedicated to the preservation of the environment. But you should also note that World Environment Day was first celebrated in the year 1974 and there is a host country for each year. This year, the event was hosted by Pakistan on the theme of ecosystem restoration, and India has hosted the World Environment Day twice, that is in the year 2011 and 2018. The next important day that we have in line is the International Day of Yoga, which is celebrated on 21st of June every year. The 21st of June is also the day which marks the summer solstice and is the longest day on the earth. The theme for this year's Yoga Day was Yoga for Well-being, which is quite relatable as everyone nowadays is struggling with health issues. And in case you are wondering why Nepal's Prime Minister is featured on this page, let me tell you that he made a statement a few days back that yoga belongs to Nepal and not India. Why he made that statement is beyond the scope of this video, so we shall ignore that and move on to the next important day, which is the National Statistics Day. Now, this day is celebrated only in India on 29th of June and it marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Prashanth Chandra Mahalanobis, and he was the founder of the Indian Statistical Institute. The Indian Statistical Institute was founded in the year 1932 and Dr. Prashanth Chandra Mahalanobis was one of the greatest persons in the field of statistics. If you want to know more about him, you can Google his name and you will get to know many interesting things about him. The next important day that we have is the National Doctors Day, which falls on 1st of July. This day has been celebrated as the National Doctors Day since 1991 by the Indian Medical Association. Now, Indian Medical Association is not a government organization. Instead, it is a non-government body and this body was founded in the year 1928. The person in whose memory this day has been designated as the National Doctors Day is Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He is the first doctor to receive the Bharat Ratna, which is the highest civilian honor of India, and he received this award in the year 1962. He is also known as the maker of modern Bengal, and interestingly, he was also the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. Now comes another important day, that is the World Population Day, which is celebrated on 11th of July since the year 1989. And the theme for this year's World Population Day is rights and choices are the answer. This much is fine if you can remember, but the entire theme goes as rights and choices are the answer. Whether baby boom or bust, the solution to shifting fertility rates lies in prioritizing all people's reproductive health and rights. This day is celebrated by the United Nations Development Programme. The Kargil Victory Day or the Vijay Diwas is celebrated on 26th of July every year, and I am sure you all are aware of this glorious day. Now the picture that you can see alongside is that of the Kargil War Memorial, which is located in the Dras sector of Jammu and Kashmir. And there were two major operations launched during the Kargil War. Both of them are important from exam point of view. Operation Vijay was the military operation conducted by the Indian Army, whereas Operation Safed Sagar was a joint operation of the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army. If you want a PDF of this material, the link is in the description, and this concludes this video. I'll be back soon with some more static GK questions. Till then, all the best.